Hello, everybody. This is Mac, and in this worksheet, we're going to talk about evaluating exponents. There's a whole section later on where we go into how to solve problems with exponents and how to combine them and multiply them and add them and subtract them and do all this great stuff. We're not doing that here. We're just going over the definition of what they are and then go over a little trick that usually pops up, okay? If you want to see more, you can go to maxtutorials.com where I have a lot of work there for you to see. And also, I really appreciate people who like and subscribe. It keeps this going for other people as well. All right, so let's start right here. If I have something inside of a parentheses, what this really means is -2 times -2 times -2. And as we learn the multiplication, if we've got an odd number of negatives, the answer is going to be negative. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, same thing with this one. This is like -5 times -5, which is going to be now a positive 25. There'll be some examples where that doesn't work, and we'll get to those, I promise. When you have a fraction and an exponent, that exponent goes to both of them. So this actually becomes 4/9. Okay, let's go on to number 4. Sorry about this weird spacing thing. But that 4 goes to the 1 and the 4 goes to the 2. Now, this one I'm going to do a little bit different. Read this as 1 to the 4th over 2 to the 4th. Let's worry about that negative sign in a minute. Okay, let's not do that yet. 1 to the 4th is 1 times 1 times 1 times 1. It's just 1. 2 times 4. 2 times 2 is 4. Times 2 is 8. Times 2 is 16. Now, I know that I'm going to have 4 negative signs. Well, if I have 4 negative signs or any even amount of negative signs, my answer is positive. So I know right now that's my answer. My answer is positive. Number 5, I'm going to have 2 negative signs, so my answer is going to be positive. Boom. This one, I'm going to cube both of these. 1 cubed is 1. 2 cubed is 8. 2 times 2 times 2. Number 7, I can tell you right now my answer is positive because I have 2 negative signs. That's going to give me 9/16. Okay? If I go over to this one right here, now here's the tricky one. So really pay attention to this one. If there's no parenthesis, that 2 only goes to the 4. That 2 does not go to the negative. So this is really like negative and then 4 times 4. So my answer here is going to be -16. Okay? You only have one negative sign. It needs to be in the parentheses for it to be used both. Okay? So now number 9, boom, boom, that's going to be 25/4. This one, before doing any problem, if I have 3 negatives or any odd negative, my answer is negative. So now I'm not going to worry about anything else besides cubing these 2. 2 cubed is going to be 8, 2 times 2 times 2. And this is 5 times 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 5 is 125. This one, the square only goes to the 6, not to the negative. So this one's going to be a -36 because I only have the one negative sign. On this one, the 3 is going to go top and bottom. 3 cubed is 27. 4 cubed, do you know? It's 64. How to get that? 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is 64. Number 13, sorry. I can tell you right now my answer is positive because I have 2 negative signs. I'm going to get 25/36. And number 14, I can tell you right now my answer is negative because I'm going to have 3 negative signs. So now I just got to figure out what 4 cubed is. And as we talked about up here, it's a 64. Okay? So there's just a few examples of how we do exponents and how we realize them. But the big thing is knowing the positives and negatives. So if you can get that, or the parentheses and then the not parentheses. If you get that, you're good to go. I have a version B and a C if you need to see it. If you feel good, go on. But if you want to see more, I'll see you in version B. Take care now.